good day. Yeah, we're gonna drive again. Yeah, I'm in the big city. Yeah, we have a nice view here. Yeah. Nice weather. Yeah. Nice doing a movie. Yeah. It's a big city here, Oosterland. Yeah, big city. Yeah. It's Sunday. Yeah. Happy weekend, everyone. Yeah, hope you're doing good. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people on the street. Hey, it's nice weather. Hey, you see, and it's good weather. The people are coming. Yeah. You see a nice boat coming almost. Yeah, there's where all the boats are going driving now. Yeah. Here. Yeah. There's the big boat there. I'm gonna show you. Oh no, I cannot. I can't. Roads are very bad here. Yeah. Don't drive too fast. No. Yeah. Look that. That's the where you go for the train there. Yeah. Nice building, old building, but very nice. They are renovated now. It's a very nice building. Very nice building. Here is the boat. Nice boat here. Yeah. A lot of traffic. Oh, look, here you can buy fish. Here you can buy fish. Yeah, if you want to eat fish, fresh fish, you're gonna pass there. Yeah. You see the people waiting there. You can buy fish. Yeah. You can buy fish. Very fresh fish. Yeah. Very expensive. Yeah. Also. Yeah. It's a long time ago I have driving here. My God, yeah. Long time ago. Long time ago. But I never come in the big city. No. I just around where is the big stores are going, but not in the city center. Now I'm in the center. You see more people are here. It's nice weather. The people walking now. Yeah. They're walking. That's all new here. It's the first time I'm gonna see that. Yeah. There's a beach here. We have the beach. There is the beach. Yeah. Beach. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah. Very beautiful. Look at that. There's a new road they're doing here. Yeah. New road. Don't drive too fast. It's dirty here, because they do control. Yeah, we are in the big city. Yeah, that's the big city. Oh, a long time ago I'm coming here. I'm working. Many years ago I'm working. Put all new gas and water tubes here. Yeah. Many years ago. Oh yeah, all new. My God, we got a lot of work here. Yeah. Here all the big the small roads we have done new. Oh, long time ago. Yeah, it's all changing. It's all changing. We have new buildings coming here. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Here the young people going out in the evening, here in the other streets. When I was younger, I have going there also. No, that's finished already. Yeah, that's finished. Don't do that anymore, eh? No, it's not the same anymore also, eh? No. Everything has changed. You have a Chinese supermarket here. Oh, a Chinese supermarket. I can buy rice for my girlfriend. Oh yeah. I find a Chinese store. Yeah. Yeah. Here is the casino. Casino is here. Yeah. And if you want to play, you can come playing here. Yeah. It's not for me. Not like that. No. We're going. More people. I see it's nice weather. The people are outside. Eh? Yeah, I need to stop as well. Yeah. That's a big city here, yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you very much. Please support me, give thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.